Welcome to Irie AT, Braille and Innovation.
Hey all, welcome to the Tiger Software Suite Tutorial 4. In this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating in Microsoft Word how to translate both text and math into Braille simultaneously. Alright guys, so we've shown you how to create complex equations with MathType using the Tactile View design software, but what about the Tiger Software Suite or TSS software? That's what we're going to be showing you today here. As you can see, I have an equation pasted into MathType. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this equation either by using the left click on my mouse and dragging, or using the keyboard command Control A as in select all. I'm going to go ahead and right click and hit copy, or Control C. And then I'm going to simply just jump over to the Microsoft Word program and paste our equation in there. You will see that our equation from MathType has now been pasted into Microsoft Word. And now we need to translate this guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the Tiger add-in menu drop-down up above, directly to the right of the Help menu drop-down. And when I do that, I get a bit of a sub-menu, and I'm going to select the Translate Document option in here. And when I do that, it gives me the ability to save the file prior to translating it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a name here. Let's go with Math Equation. I'm going to go ahead and switch the location as well. Let's get it off my cloud. Let's put it locally. It's right there in my documents. When you hit save, you will notice the translation on screen. There you go. We not only have our Braille characters displayed, we also have our print characters displayed for visual reference. Of course, the print characters won't be embossed, but it's just there for your reference. So once everything looks good and translated and you approve, we're going to go ahead and just print this guy. So you can go up to either File and select the print option, or simply use Control P as in Paul on your keyboard. Once you do that, make sure to select Print, make sure your Irie embosser is selected, hit Print, there you go. You have now successfully used the MathType complex equation editor with the Tiger Software Suite and your Irie embosser. Thanks for watching Tiger Software Suite Tutorial 4. Don't forget to check out Tutorial 5, where we demonstrate how to input a graphic into MS Word and add a text label to your document. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest and greatest content.